Hello everyone, I am Priyanka, Assistant Professor from the Department of BCom Digital Marketing and Data Mining from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see the subject on Managerial Economics. In that we are going to see introduction about the Managerial Economics. As you all know what is meant by economics. And now we are going to see about the Managerial Economics. It is a subject that helps the manager and business decision makers to use economic ideas in practical business situations. In economics, the business decision making people will be using the practical examples to do this. In simple words, I will say application of an economic theory to business management. It helps the managers to decide what to produce, how to produce, and how many products to produce, and how to use a resource effectively. When we are producing a product, first we must know what product we should produce and how much quantity we should produce and how much price to be fixed and where to be sold. So these four things we should be known while selling a product. If without knowing this, if we are selling a product, the product cannot be sold. So before selling a product, we must think of how much the product to be produced for that particular product, and how much to be sell to the customer, and what price to be fixed, and how to use resource effectively. So we should know that first. And then economic has two main branches. The first one will be the microeconomics and the second one will be the macroeconomics. Economics mainly use microeconomic concept and they will not be using the macroeconomic concept. As such as the microeconomic concept is such as the demand, supply, cost, production, function, pricing and market structures they will be using. These concepts helps the manager to understand how consumers behave and how a firm should be produce the products. In this we are going to see about how it works. It reduces risk, optimize profit and strategic planning will be used. The reduced risk is nothing but quantifies uncertainty in future demand and cost. Then optimized profit helps in the setting to right price for the maximized revenue. The strategic plan will be provides the data needed for long-term expansions. It will be used. For example, I will say a manager must decide whether to increase the production or not. Managerial economics helps the manager study demand analysis and cost analysis and profit analysis. Before taking such a decision, this is reduce risk and improves effectively. So we should know that. And another important aspect of the managerial economics will be resource allocation. Since a resource like money, labor and raw materials are limited, managers must use them carefully. A manager's economic helps in achieving maximizing output with minimum cost, which is the main goal of every businesses. Managerial economics also helps in pricing decision. Pricing a product is very important because it affects the demand, revenue and profit. By understanding market structure and consumer behavior, manager can fix the right price for their right products. They can fix for their. In today's competitive business environment, managerial economics plays a key role in planning, forecasting and controlling business activities. It helps the managers predict future demand, plan production and face competition confidently. To include managerial economics acts as a bridge between economics and business management. It transforms economic theory into practical tools for decision making also. By studying the managerial economics, students and managers gain the ability to think analytically, make rational decisions and improve business performance. In this we saw the scope of managerial economics. The first one will be the demand theory, production theory, pricing theory, profit analysis, capital investment. Demand theory is nothing but focuses on consumer behavior to enhance production. The next one is production theory, maximize the output by optimizing resources. And the pricing theory is determines price based on the market factors. And the next theory will be the profit analysis, aims to maximize profit through market strategies. The last one will be the capital investment, allocates capital for profitable projects. So in every business, the business people must know these theories to do. So these are the scope of managerial economics. Thank you. We will see in the next video.